Hey folks, Egan here. We're gonna make a delicious dinner featuring some farm to freezer veggies. And we're making a super easy peasy sheet pan meal. Beautiful roasted chicken thigh, organic roasted root veggies from Michigan farm to freezer. So what we're gonna start with is literally our sheet pan. We're gonna put it in the oven, crank it up to 450, and we're gonna put our sheet pan in there to preheat with the oven. While we're doing that, we're gonna get our chicken ready. So here we've got some beautiful boneless, skinless chicken thighs. So we're gonna generously salt. And when I say generously salt, I'm not kidding around, folks. So we're gonna put our chicken on our aluminum lined sheet pan here. And we'll let that sit. While our sheet pan is heating up in our oven, we're gonna move over and utilize this awesome organic root crop mix. It's a delicious mix of carrots, parsnips, rutabaga, and beets. You could use this in a soup. You could make this into a mash, or just roast them up like we're gonna do today. We're gonna toss it with a little bit of olive oil. And we've got some dried herbs, a mix of rosemary and thyme. And we'll hit this with a good amount of salt. And we will toss. Now get ready for some action. So we have our super hot, unlined sheet pan. Don't put anything on here. And why we started with a hot sheet pan was to help get some of that sizzle and sear going. Because we're working with the frozen vegetables that are packed at the peak of ripeness, maximizing the nutrition value, we're gonna have a little bit of a lag. So that's why we want the heat from the pan to help roast the veggies. So we're gonna throw those in a hot 450-degree oven, and we're gonna set our timer for 15 minutes. Hey Abby, winner winner chicken dinner. Abby has exquisite taste. So while those root veggies are in the oven, we can start making our sauce. Let's turn our pan on to about a medium heat. Add about a half a cup of chicken stock or veggie stock, whichever you prefer, beef stock, whatever you've got kicking around. And then we'll add in mustard and sour cream once this reduces down by about half. So we'll have a delicious, beautiful Dijon-y creamy sauce that'll be the bow on our dinner. All right, so our stock is reduced down by half. We're gonna turn our heat down to low. We're gonna add in about a teaspoon to tablespoon of spicy mustard, Dijon mustard, horseradish mustard, whatever you love. And then we're gonna actually add in about a quarter cup, couple tablespoons, whatever. If you want more sour cream, add it, but this is a couple tablespoons, and whisk it together. And we're actually gonna add the chicken this time too. This delicious simple sauce of reduced down chicken stock, sour cream, and food for thought spicy IPA mustard is the ultimate complement to our delicious roasted chicken thighs and organic roasted root veggies from farm to freezer. All right, I can smell that delicious broiliness happening. Let's pull everything out. Ooh, we've got our delicious roasty veggies. Look at all that yummy color. And look at these delicious chicken thighs, nice golden brown. Some a little bit extra yummy. That's my favorite way, when they're almost burnt. Turn these over, mix them up, and then we'll plate it up for dinner. Ooh, that skin is nice and crispy. I can feel it with my spatula. And then we've got our sauce, so we're just gonna kinda drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. We have our beautiful organic roasted root veggies from Michigan farm to freezer, topped with a lovely chicken thigh, and finished with that creamy Dijon sauce featuring food for thought spicy IPA mustard. This is a wonderful dinner that you will enjoy.